was I saying? What was I saying?
What's going on, people? You catch me outside on a bike. Well, about to work on the bike. What I've done is I've gone ahead and brought this to put there. But also, I've brought the most important part, which is this. Now, I've been watching all the reviews. A lot of people have them. I've got a brand new iPhone. Don't want to ruin it, so I need this in order to keep this in one piece. So we're going to fit that bad boy to here, because we're going to need this. Quadlock Allen key set. Let's get this off firstly. You're gonna have to bear with me because I'm doing this one-handed, which is not gonna be easy. In one piece, there we go. I'm holding that in with that. Bit of thread lock on there. Straight from the factory. And then we're left with that. So I'm gonna put that there. What there? You're alright, we're gonna pick that up. I'll leave it in my pocket, you're alright, mate. So we've opened it up and it comes with a QR code on the back. And this is what you get in the packaging. That one random Allen key. Which is there. And the unit itself. Which apparently is 360, so you can mount it anyway. So that also comes with pre-applied thread lock. If the camera would focus. If I get that off there. So I'll take it, we're gonna get that screw out of there. And then attach that to that somehow. We'll figure it out. Now my OCD is going to kick in, so I'm going to have to line that up properly. Okay, it's windy as f***. It's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see it, but there's rain everywhere. I've got to hurry up and do this. Now, it's quite self-explanatory. It fits on anyway. So, you can line it up and get it perpendicular with the screen. If that even is the right word. Tighten that bad boy up. Then we put that there, get the other one out of my pocket and stick that in one piece onto there. So it looks like so. Tighten this bad boy back up. The minute I pull the bike out, it starts to rain. Bollocks, mate. And there we have it. Fitted steering dampener. Now I'm recording off my iPhone, so I'll have to get this on there somehow. Right, it's drizzling. As you can see, I've got the case out. There we go, nice and sturdy. That is going to go on there. Now this is the tricky bit with Quadlock. You have to try and get this locked in somehow. Okay, that's fallen on the floor, whatever. We've managed to get that bad boy on. It's a bit tricky and it's a two-hand job. I've got one hand on the camera, which is my iPhone. So yeah, we've got it on. That's what it looks like from that angle. And that's what it looks like from that angle. And then to get it off, you press down on the red, turn, and it comes off. Like so. Now let's see if I can do it again with one hand. And you can have it landscape or portrait. Yeah, it's not going to work. Oh, there we go. I've done it. I managed to do it. Well done me. That way. Or that way. Now I'm recording off another iPhone, so I can show you my iPhone, which you can tell is mine, because the bike's on there. But anyway, 14 Pro, locked into here. Now I'm hoping this don't drop doing this one-handed. like so. And there we go. Don't look half bad, even if I do say so myself. Quadlock with the dampener. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.
Bitch, you're a f***ing water bottle. Shut your f***ing mouth.